Engine is like the heart of the vehicle. Whoa, whoa, not that hard, bro. Yeah, that hard. It is a mechanical mixture of suck, squeeze, bang and blow, which create beautiful noises for us petrol heads and joys of driving. And in today's video, we are going to dig deep into this phenomena. So stick to the end of the video and enjoy. DIY is what everyone needs nowadays, and for that you need proper tools. The tools which are made from premium materials and the tools which can last long. 10 Tools is a premium brand that offers quality tools. Click the link in the description below so that you may get discount on every purchase that you got. Now, before we start, do subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Oh, and there's a surprise for all of you at the end of the video, so watch it till the end. So engine is like the power plant or heart of the vehicle, which provide power to the wheels, which in turn give us joy of driving. But did you ever wonder how on earth does that whole process went? Well, the process itself is quite interesting, and today in this video I am going to explain each and every bit of it. To propel the vehicle forwards, the internal combustion engine uses one of two processes. The first process is called a two-stroke process. In two-stroke engine, there are just two strokes of working cycle. The suction and compression is done in one cycle, while power stroke and exhaust stroke is done in the second cycle. These type of engines were used in older vehicles in both diesel and petrol configuration. Their application can be found in cars, bikes, commercial vehicles, and also in heavy duty trucks as well. A good thing about these engines is that they produce lots of torque and power. But the downside is that they produce lots of noise and higher carbon emissions. And the second process is called the four-stroke process. The four-stroke engine is the most common type of engine used in automobile nowadays, mostly in cars and bikes. These sort of engines deliver the power in four strokes: suction, compression, power and exhaust. They produce less noise as compared to the two-stroke engines. They are fuel efficient and produce less carbon emissions. Now, let's discuss the four-stroke engine working in detail. And remember to stick to the end of the video for the surprise. As I said previously, the four-stroke engine has four strokes of working, which are suction, compression, power and exhaust. Let's explore each stroke. In this stage, the piston moves to the bottom dead center or BDC of the combustion chamber. The intake valves open and air-fuel mixture is entered into the cylinder. The air-fuel mixture came from the carburetor in case of older vehicles and from throttle body in case of newer vehicles. This is the second stage or stroke of an engine cycle, in which air-fuel mixture which was entered in the cylinder of the engine is compressed. In this stage, to compress the air-fuel mixture, the piston moves to top dead center or TDC. While compression, the temperature of the air-fuel mixture rises in the combustion chamber. This is the third stroke of cycle. In this stroke, the spark plug gave spark to the already heated air-fuel mixture, which causes the blast in the combustion chamber. This blast causes piston to move from top dead center to bottom dead center. Hence, it is called a power stroke. Due to this stroke, the piston moves down with the power and delivers this power to the flywheel. This is the last and final stroke in the four-stroke process. In this stroke, the burned gases from the power stroke are extracted from the combustion chamber. When the piston moves to top dead center, the exhaust valves open and the gases are extracted from the combustion chamber via silencer and muffler. So, there you go, the complete process of how an engine works. And for the surprise, well, enjoy. But before you go, be sure to smash that like button and share as well. Also, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. My target is 100 subscribers for now, and I know you will help me achieve this. Because if you do, Mr. Beast will give you a brand new Chevy LS engine. See ya.